I am going to unbox this docking station here. It's very compact, it's light, very portable, and it looks like this here. And it comes with a 180 watt power adapter. So very nice, very easy to connect up. I have a power cord that comes with it that connects on this side right here. And then this right here is this Type-C ports that can be connected to a laptop, for example. It does have 96 watt charging capability, and it supports two 4K displays, so it definitely has options to take the signal from your laptop and put them to at least two displays, which is nice. Again, it's high quality, definitely a great design, really easy design. It's got all these ports here that you have on the docking station itself. It's got USB ports, USB-C ports. It has an SD card option as well, so definitely lots of options to promote a signal from one device to another. So I love it. I'll be using it a lot for various things that I need it for with my job or just with gaming even. So I love it. It's really nice.